Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Something. Today I am going to show you how to make status video by Vimage. Nowadays Vimage is more popular to make video. You can make own status video and upload on social media and make it viral. Now you can use Vimage mod version. I will keep this link in the description. Just click it and download it till the video end and learn how to make it. So let's start. After download it, just click to install and open the Vimage application. Create new project. For just click that icon and choose image that you can like. I wanna choose that image. After adding image, you can see the different types of effect, 3D effect, stretch, magic sky flow, text and audio. I use only effect option and add audio for background music to make the video. Now click the effect option and see the different type of moving element. I wanna choose that and customize that element and tap to add. After adding element, you can add more effect like that. Now I wanna choose different type of element. Let's see. For downloading effect you have to require internet, so I forget that. Now I turn on my internet connection and download the different type of moving element. That smoke is not suitable for that image, so I remove it. Here so many types of element, you have to choose that and customize that element. If you can apply 3D effect, then can see the image is moving. That's not suitable for this image, so I remove that. Now click text option and write my creation name, or you can write your FB page name. Now you can customize your text and place a suitable place for this image. And also you can change the text color, spacing line, opacity of the text. Now I add some song from my folder to make the video, and you can customize the song. Here you can increase the sound, and now click this icon to export that video. Here you can remove watermark and set the video duration and click to export button. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Keep patience for finishing your work. Just click to save option and save the video in your device. So let's see, I can show you my work. জমে থাকা সংলাপ ডাকে আয় চলে আয় কতদিন বেদুদিন দে আমায় ছুটি দে খুঁজে যায় নিরুপায় অসহায়. Hello, I hope you can learn how to make status video by Vimage application. How is it? Please tell me in the comment section, and please share this video with your friend. Please like the video, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. If you new visitor on my channel, please subscribe me for more important videos. Thank you for the watching.